V-guide belt welding and gluing machine. Pneumatic cantilever lift fast loading for endless belts. Dual pressure rollers, more traction, no deviation. Grinding with integrated dust extraction. Duckbill glue nozzle, even coating, easy cleaning. 3-in-1 grinding, gluing, and welding, dual stations, double efficiency. Fits K6, K17 V-guide wheels, custom shapes available. Fine adjustments via electro-pneumatic valves. Achievement display. Make belt manufacturing in the world simpler.